Hello, buddies. I'm going to show you my whole village. Here's my biggest house I have. This one's mine. Walking down. Big lava thing come from the ceiling and out of sight. Wait, it's loading. Here's my my bunk bed. Here's my 4 posters right here. Plus my down here. And since I have water, it runs out real fast, so I have loads of water in here. Then have some right there. And bottles for to put the water in. And here's my table. And apples, or golden apples if you want to say that. Chicken, whatever. Oops. And fish, cooked fish, watermelons, bread, beef, regular apples. I have a lot of dogs. Oh, here it is. Yeah. And it's like my most favorite thing right here is the kitchen. You can look through, it's pretty cool. Oh, if you go over here, you know, level up your weapons. And I have weapons right here you can level up. I think these are already leveled up, yeah. Yeah, they are leveled up. And I have headgear there, body, pants, and shoes. Oh yeah, I didn't get to finish this, but I'm supposed to make a mansion, a big one right here, and you're gonna walk up into the big thing, but I didn't finish it. And this is my cousin's house. I fixed it up today because it looked cool. So I come up here. And then it's kind of confusing because she made it. And you have to come up here, and here, go more, and it gets better and better. Here's our kitchen. We have fish in there, chicken in there, golden apples in there. I haven't put stuff in here yet. And then the stove, and then that for cooking. Fix that door, it looks ugly. Yeah, fix the door right, like that. There we go. Then my cousin made this big lava thing, I don't know. Here's a game room and glow in the dark. I need to fix that. I don't even know who broke that. I think I did it wrong. No, I did it right. Then glow in the dark golf Here's beds. Sleeping. Yeah, my cousin does weird stuff. Oh, this is cool. I have a lava thing, and I have this. This is awesome. But I burnt their place down because I got mad at them. I don't know why. I just burnt it down. And it's like lava stuff coming down, yeah. It's full of lava. Anyways, that's my village. Oh yeah, I put a big cross right here in the middle of my village. I'm going to fix that in a minute. I'll fix it right now. How's that? There we go. It's more like it. It's in the middle of my village. Well, that's in the middle of my village. I'll probably add stuff on that, but I was supposed to make a house. I never did, so well, I'm about to break that. I'll break that. Yeah, of course we're supposed to. Oh yeah, watch this. Okay, over here. Come over here. Technically, me and my cousins took over this village, and I made a house in here. Tried to make like a TV show right there, but then I made a bed. Oh, there. Bed, and then I made like a chessboard. This is my house. My other cousins were playing around. I don't know. I made lights outside. They did steal something. Yeah, they're messing around here. Oh yeah, they're messing around in here. Well, they're messing around in the village. Yeah. I think that's all the stuff I was supposed to show y'all. Yep. Thank you for watching this video.